Okay, campers, let's get this thing going. We're going to begin by doing a very short and quick review about SPA, and we're going to continue on with pre-writing. Pre-writing. So just quickly, SPA is what? Subject, purpose, and audience. And remember, we said that it's not necessarily set which order we're going to get those things or which orders we need to decide those things. But they do work together to help us to better choose our topic and to better choose what kind of information we're going to have to give whenever we are making our writing, when we're doing our writing. All right, so this is all part of pre-writing. And today we're going to move on a little bit further into the pre-writing process. We're going to do this first so that we've decided what our topic is going to be, but we're also going to take a look at how we might be able to choose a topic, right? And we're going to discuss that. All right, so we have pre-writing. Pre-writing means the things that we do before we start our actual writing. And as I said, writing is easy. Pre-writing is the work for us. Many times we have this situation where we look at our computer screen or we look at a piece of paper and we just can't think. What should we be writing here? What can we begin? How do we start? What do we need to write? And the more we do this work, the more you can avoid that kind of situation. In fact, the thing that writers fear and hate the most is the blank page. It can be really disastrous. But if we do our work, if we do our preparation, then the blank page isn't really a problem. Think about it like if someone asks you, where would you like to go for dinner? If you have no idea what kind of food that person likes, if you have no idea how much time you have for eating, and if you have no idea how you are going to get to that place for eating, it's difficult to even make a suggestion, right? So the more we know about our situation here, what is the subject, what is the purpose, what is who is the audience, then the easier it will be to remove that blank page and start to fill it up. Now, we're not just going to start writing. In fact, this is one of the worst things that some people even teach this. Just start writing, just start writing. But it's like, I want to go to Nagoya Station. Just start walking, just start walking. I could walk a long way in the wrong direction, and it doesn't help me at all. It doesn't help me at all. Now, I mean, if I want to practice walking, then maybe it helps me, but it doesn't take me towards my goal of reaching Nagoya Station. So the more I plan, the more I prepare, the more information I begin with, then the better off I'm going to be and the easier the actual writing is going to be. And on top of that, the better that writing is going to be. We can go back to our earlier example about making a suggestion for dinner or a place to eat. The more of that basic information we already have, the easier it is. And you can probably think of some situations where someone asks you, hey, let's go to eat, where do you want to go? And you already know that person. You know the kinds of places they often go to, the kind of food that they like, and you know the area that you're in, and you can answer really, really quickly, really quickly. And it's easy. The same is true here with our writing. The more information we have before we begin, the easier that writing decision is going to be. How do I fill that blank page? Okay, so let's get moving, and we're going to go on and we're going to talk about the actual writing process.